Hello and welcome to our video on strategies for improving athletic performance. Whether you're a competitive athlete or simply looking to improve your fitness level, there are several strategies you can use to maximize your athletic performance. In this video, we'll discuss some of the most effective strategies and how you can implement them in your training routine. First and foremost, it's important to establish a strong foundation of overall fitness. This includes cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength and endurance, and flexibility. Incorporating regular aerobic exercise, resistance training, and stretching can help you achieve this foundation. Next, it's important to set specific and measurable goals. These goals should be challenging yet attainable, and should be broken down into smaller milestones that you can work towards each week or month. This will help you stay motivated and track your progress over time. Nutrition is also a critical component of athletic performance. Proper fueling and hydration can provide the energy and nutrients your body needs to perform at its best. Aim to consume a well-balanced diet that includes lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats, as well as plenty of water to stay hydrated. In addition to physical training and nutrition, mental preparation is also key to improving athletic performance. Techniques such as visualization, positive self-talk, and goal setting can help you stay focused and confident during competition or training. Finally, recovery is just as important as training itself. Incorporating rest days and recovery techniques such as foam rolling and stretching can help prevent injury and promote optimal performance. There are several strategies you can use to improve your athletic performance, including establishing a foundation of overall fitness, setting specific and measurable goals, fueling and hydrating properly, practicing mental preparation techniques, and prioritizing recovery. By incorporating these strategies into your training routine, you can achieve your full athletic potential and reach your goals. Thank you for watching and good luck with your training.